Welcome back. So, you're on the internet. Every post, like, or scroll leaves a digital breadcrumb. Most of the time, that's harmless, just how the web works. But when someone pieces those breadcrumbs together, that's OSINT, open source intelligence. OSINT is about collecting and analyzing public data to create actionable intelligence, used by both security pros and cybercriminals. Today, we're focusing on TikTok, a goldmine of public info with over 1 billion users. We'll break down the top 10 OSINT tools for analyzing TikTok, showing you what's possible and how to protect yourself. Let's dive in. Number 1 on our list is Maltego, a powerhouse tool that's become essential for digital investigators and cybersecurity professionals around the world. Maltego is more than just software. It's the ultimate mind-mapping platform designed to uncover hidden relationships and patterns in the digital world. With its intuitive interface, investigators can quickly visualize and analyze vast amounts of data, making sense of what would otherwise be overwhelming information. For example, Maltego can take something as simple as a TikTok username and instantly map out all publicly linked data, other social media profiles, followers, connections, and even email addresses or phone numbers if they're available. It's like having a digital detective at your fingertips, revealing the web of connections that tie online identities together. Importantly, Maltego doesn't hack or break into accounts. Instead, it automates the process of gathering publicly available information, something anyone could do manually, but at a speed and scale that's simply impossible for a human alone. The real magic lies in its visualization capabilities. With Maltego, you can see entire networks unfold before your eyes, spot key influencers, and quickly identify outliers or suspicious patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. For security researchers, Maltego is invaluable. It helps track down bot networks, uncover sources of misinformation, and even trace the spread of malicious content across platforms. It's a critical tool for anyone working to keep the digital world safer. For everyday users, Maltego serves as a powerful reminder. The information you link in your bio, the usernames you choose, and the accounts you connect can all be used to piece together your entire digital identity. What seems like harmless sharing can actually reveal much more than you intend. Maltego demonstrates how even the smallest data points, when connected, can tell a much bigger story about who you are and who you interact with online. So, be mindful. Your digital presence is far more connected and visible than you might think. Every link, every username, and every profile can contribute to a much larger digital footprint. Stay aware and take control of your online identity. Number 2 on our list is Shodan, often called the search engine for the internet's devices. While most people are familiar with Google, which helps you find websites, Shodan is a completely different beast. It's designed to search for and index the actual devices that make up the internet itself. Unlike Google, which focuses on web pages and user content, Shodan crawls the internet looking for servers, webcams, routers, smart home gadgets, and even the infrastructure that powers massive platforms like TikTok, Amazon, or Facebook. It's a tool that reveals the hidden machinery running behind the scenes. Shodan isn't about tracking user profiles or social media posts. Instead, it's about mapping the networks and devices your data passes through every time you go online. Every message, video, or photo you send travels through a complex web of hardware, and Shodan helps visualize that journey. Cybersecurity analysts and researchers use Shodan to spot unusual patterns, like multiple suspicious accounts posting from the same network, or to uncover vulnerabilities in the infrastructure of popular apps like TikTok. It's a powerful tool for understanding how data flows and where weaknesses might exist. For everyday users, Shodan serves as a reminder that your digital activity leaves a physical trail. Every device you connect to, every server you interact with, can be traced and mapped, sometimes down to a specific location on the globe. Using a VPN can help mask your IP address and add a layer of privacy, but it's important to remember that your connection itself, how and where you access the internet, can still reveal more about you than you might expect. Even with protections, some traces remain. Shodan exposes this invisible layer of your digital footprint, making it clear that the internet is not just a virtual space, but a network of real, physical devices all over the world. The hardware, the servers, routers, and cables is just as important as the software and apps you use every day. Understanding this hidden layer can help you better protect your privacy and appreciate the complexity of the digital world. Number 3 on our list is Spiderfoot, an incredibly powerful OSINT automation tool that's changing the way digital investigations are conducted. Designed for both cybersecurity professionals and curious individuals, Spiderfoot automates the process of gathering open-source intelligence, making it faster and more comprehensive than ever before. Simply provide Spiderfoot with a TikTok username, and it instantly begins scouring hundreds of online platforms, forums, and social media sites for any matches. It doesn't just stop at the obvious, it digs deep, building a detailed map of your entire online presence, connecting the dots between accounts you may have forgotten about or never realized were linked. Spiderfoot's real strength lies in its ability to cross-reference data. If it finds your email address on one site, it uses that as a springboard to search for more information elsewhere, uncovering hidden connections and piecing together a more complete digital profile than you might expect. This tool excels at revealing non-obvious relationships, like groups of accounts that follow the same influencers, or clusters of profiles that interact in subtle ways. It can even identify patterns in your online behavior, showing how seemingly unrelated accounts are actually part of a larger network. For everyday users, Spiderfoot is a wake-up call. It demonstrates how a single username can act as a thread, tying together your entire digital life. What you thought were separate accounts can be easily linked, exposing more about you than you might realize. That's why it's crucial to use unique usernames and strong, varied passwords for each account. Regularly review your privacy settings and always be mindful of the information you share online. Even the smallest details can be significant in the wrong hands. Spiderfoot makes it clear just how easily your online identity can be mapped and tracked. It's a reminder that our digital footprints are larger and more interconnected than we often realize. Every single data point, no matter how small, is a potential clue. In the world of OSINT, even the tiniest detail can lead to a much bigger discovery. Number 4 is ReconNG, a command-line OSINT framework for pros. Add a TikTok username, run modules to find linked emails, social profiles, or breached data. It's methodical, modular, and integrates with many APIs. ReconNG is great for social footprinting, mapping your habits, interests, and social circles from public info. This data can be weaponized for social engineering, like crafting convincing phishing attacks. For users, it's a reminder. Enable two-factor authentication, use unique passwords, and don't overshare. ReconNG automates what attackers do manually. Small public details can reveal big vulnerabilities. Number 5 is the Harvester, a passive info-gathering tool. It quietly searches public sources for mentions of your TikTok username or content across the web. The Harvester is great for tracking where your videos or profile are shared outside TikTok, on blogs, forums, or news sites. It helps analysts monitor how your digital footprint evolves over time. Once something is public, you lose control. Your content can be indexed and analyzed from anywhere. Think before you post. Your TikTok presence can echo far beyond the app. Number 6 is Metadata, built to extract metadata from public files. While it targets documents, the principle applies to TikTok. Every video contains metadata like device info, timestamps, and sometimes GPS. Even if TikTok strips some data, traces can remain or be inferred. Tools like Metadata can bulk download videos and analyze for hidden clues, like location or editing software. For creators, check your device settings and disable geotagging. Metadata is the hidden layer of your content. Protect it. Number 7 is FOCA, originally for organizations, but its methods work for individuals too. FOCA finds linked websites, emails, and social profiles, then analyzes their metadata to map your digital life. It can uncover forgotten blogs, old resumes, or abandoned accounts, all linked back to your current identity. FOCA shows how persistent online data is. The internet rarely forgets. Periodically search your own name and usernames to see what's out there. Your digital footprint is cumulative and often permanent. Be proactive about your online presence. Number 8 is the Social Engineer Toolkit, SET. Focused on exploiting the human side of security, SET uses data gathered from OSINT tools to craft convincing phishing attacks, like fake TikTok login pages or personalized messages. The more an attacker knows from your public TikTok, the more believable their scam. Always double-check URLs, be skeptical of urgent messages, and don't trust unsolicited links, even if they seem personal. SET is a reminder. Social engineering is powered by the info you share. Protect your details and stay alert for manipulation. Your data can be used to build a convincing trap. Number 9 is Check Usernames, a simple tool that checks if a username exists across hundreds of sites. It's the fastest way to map someone's digital presence from a single TikTok handle. It helps spot fake or bot accounts, like usernames registered everywhere on the same day. It's also useful for verifying identities or compartmentalizing your own online life. Use unique usernames to keep your accounts separate. Before creating a new account, check what's already associated with your chosen name. Your username is a key to your digital history. Number 10 is the OSINT framework, a web-based map of OSINT tools. Start with a data point, like a username, and the framework guides you to the right tools for deeper analysis. It links everything from complex platforms like Maltego to simple sites like Check Usernames. For TikTok investigations, it's your structured guide, ensuring you don't miss any angles. The OSINT framework exposes tools you never knew existed and encourages creative thinking. Bookmark it. It's essential for anyone serious about digital privacy or investigation. It's your map and compass for the world of open-source intelligence. That's 10 powerful OSINT tools and how they can piece together your public TikTok data. The goal isn't to scare you, but to inform. Awareness is your best defense. These tools can do good or harm. Ethical use matters. Practice good digital hygiene, strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and careful sharing. The digital world is always changing. Keep learning and stay curious. Be mindful of the breadcrumbs you leave behind. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.